Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to sign out of your Amazon account. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I've already gone to the website amazon.com and logged into my account. And right now, I just want to log out. Well, here's what we can do about it. Well, denote that this right here is the interface and you can buy anything from right here. On the nav bar, I'm simply gonna scroll to the right. I'm just gonna scroll down and denote that you can search for products from right here. You can change the language, and finally here's something like hello, your name, accounts and list. Now here are two sections, that is your list and your account. Well, we do not want to focus on your list, but denote that you can create a list, find a list of registry or anything. But let's simply scroll over to your account. At the very bottom, you'll see something like sign out. Well, denote that there are other features as well, but right now I'm simply going to click on the sign out button right here. And guys, as you can see, I have successfully signed out of my Amazon account. It's quite easy. Well guys, that's it. That's the gist of it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.